Son. MaryAnn.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Good morning. I was downstairs. Hubs?
That was lying on the ground.
Let me see, doesn't want.
I guess it's his collar hitting the dish. I didn't want him to see me looking at him because he's looking at me and I guess something else will stop this. Well, somebody ate some of one of the dishes earlier. I don't know who.
Where?
On the stair.
Probably your son too. Your son is a piggy.
She's just refusing to eat anything but dry food. She forget it. She'll stop to that.
Whatever. Darn me.
You want me to sit in the other room?
Why?
I don't know. You're like I'm bothering you somehow. How do you sit there bitching?
Because you don't love me.
What?
Don't even try that. Crap.
Did you give me a hug and a kiss? No, you didn't.
I did give you a kiss this morning.
I brushed my teeth.
I gave you a kiss this morning. You just not pay attention. Like ever.
I'll kick your ass.
Missed on that's my leg. It's a little different spot. I can only reach so far.
You need a haircut, hon.
Yeah, well there. Find me a haircut place that's cheap.
All guys are expensive.
I'll just $10 or $15.
Told you I can cut your hair, hon. I know how to freaking cut hair. Do you want me to cut your hair?
Exactly
the same way 30 years ago.
That's only admissible
I can't cut
I
freaking
have to go out in public after you're done.
Then hide. That's what I want. I
I
want
have
to
to buy a
be.
big hat.
Bug, come here, Bug.
You got high again and killed Joanna Lewis while on probation.
Hi, guys. Tommy's here. He's gonna do my makeup. Just kidding. He said he was going to think about it. I made him some. What did I make for you, baby? Tuna fish, tuna. I make tuna for him. I love him too much.
Supposed to be between 70 and 75 today.
So it's gonna be really hot. Huh? Who's going to sit?
Son. MaryAnn. Talk to you later.
Bye, baby. Talk to you later, huh? Drive careful.
The long iPad wire, in my brown sweat jacket pocket.
You want me to take it out or bring it down here?
Well, you can bring it down here to plug yours in.
You want it now?
No, I brought it down to plug in my other iPad, but your iPad needs it more.
Okay.
And this way you can move it around the table, because right there you're kind of stuck right where it is.
Okay, it's fine, baby.
And then
I'm gonna take it out before washing it.
charge mine too. You use mom's block, it'll charge your iPad faster.
Okay, I love you. Tatapos ko lang naligo. Binlo dry ko lang yung buhok ko. And I'm back to my editing. And Sister Cora Jackman asked me if Tammy will if he will do a shout out on my channel. I'm not sure, sis. I will ask him, I will ask him if he will willing to do it again. But every time I do a shout out, he kinda tired, or he's not around, he's working, or I'm in the other house, and sometimes he's sleeping on there in the living room, and so yun kasi yun. And masakit yung face ko, guys. The face. This side here is masakit. It's really painful, and even when I touch it, it's painful. And that's always the sign for me when I get sick. It's always the sign that not the whole face, is only the side. Sometimes here or sometimes here, but most of the time here. I'm just watching Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart on his Facebook live. Masakit, sobrang sakit na, as in. So masakit na talaga siya. Sa labas si Roxy. There's no snow anymore. No snow. But it's kinda nice outside, right, Rox? It's nice outside. It's nice outside. Yes, it's nice outside. Come here, Mitch. Come here, Mitch. Come here, Mitch. Come here, Mitch. I will show you guys what he did. He is like, that's why he can get out, because he dig over here in the fence to have a hole for his body, for her body to get out. You see that? She's digging in here, and I just put this thing down there. Look, stupid dog. Come in here. Come in. Bad girl. Bad. You. No, I'm gonna cut your foot. Yes, you're bad. Why you don't listen, bad? Why you're a bad girl? What did you do? Did you did something? Okay, let's go inside now. Good morning. Yeah, it is time check. What time is it? time. Oh, it's low, but this is from last night. It is 8:01. Hi guys, na-busy ako sa kakalagay ng mga sa aso. Ito guys, this is the heart guard for the dog. Ito, this is Frontline Plus. It's liquid. Ilagay nyo lang sa batok ng aso para wala silang mga ticks, mga anong mga sa katawan nila yung. Hi guys, I'm going to do insert shout out. Insert shout out to Tita Carlos. Hi Tita Carlos. That's her YouTube name. And also shout out to Julianne. Hi Julianne. Thank you for watching guys. And also to Meli Lastimoso. Hi Meli Lastimoso. Kasama niyan sa Lastimosa. And also to Anastasia Parsons. Hi Anastasia. And also shout out to Terry Inuza Hiago. Hi sis. She's in China. Hi sis. Kumusta ang China? Maginaw ba dyan sis? Thank you guys. I'm going to try this again. Ito. Spicy noodles. This is the samyang. I don't know.
What you found the secret, okay?
Where is the behave? Hi guys, ano ng oras? 9:04 na ng gabi. Late na nagba-vlog again. And I'm on the floor with my babies. And ito. Yung isa parang baliw. Are you crazy, Rox? Are you cray-cray? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Yeah. We're waiting for Dada, right? Where do you think is Dada? Where do you think is Dada? Where do you think is Dada? We're waiting for him. Why? Okay guys. Bye-bye guys. Manonood lang muna ako dito. At saka yung aso nakatingin na lang sa akin. Malaking problema guys. I don't know if I can share it with you now, but probably I will. It's a